Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So, I am so excited because, y'all, I got my first PR package in the mail. I didn't pay one thing for it. They contacted me and said they wanted to send me some free product to do a review on. So I am so excited. Here's our little bag. The company is called Lavié Labs. They use natural ingredients that are good for your skin. So it's a skincare company. So they sent me 4 of their products, and I think these products retail for like over $100. So I am so excited to try these out and see what they're all about, how they work, see if we like them. Let's go ahead and dive in our box of goodies and get started. Okay, so first it looks like, oh, look how cute this little packaging is. It's in like a little tissue paper wrap with a little bow, like a little present. How cute. It's like I get to unwrap a present, y'all. It's like Christmas. Okay, so up first, this is called Velvet Micro Exfoliating Cream. And it says cleanses pores and polishes away dead skin cells. Oh, okay, made in Israel. So all of these products are made in Israel, which is very cool. So I guess you use this after you cleanse your face and then rinse it off. Let's see what this looks like. The packaging is very nice. Really nice packaging, I think. Oh my gosh, y'all, this stuff smells, like I can already smell it. Yes, it smells so good. Very good packaging. Like they made sure that this stuff did not get ruined in the transportation process, which is really nice. So this is like a glass heavy duty jar here. So this is what it looks like. Y'all, I can smell it already. Oh my gosh. So it's got this little stopper on it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Y'all, this smells so good. So fresh and clean. Oh my gosh, it smells like just like a natural, fresh, clean scent. I love the way this smells. Okay, love the way that smells. Okay, I also got present number 2. So they also sent me this. This is called Matinica Luxe Age Defying Formula Revitalizing Cream for visually lifted and firmer skin, which we could all use. Hello, I want some firmer skin. So this says, after cleansing you apply this. So it's basically just like a moisturizing cream. Y'all, look. Do y'all see it comes with this cute little scooper thing? How stinking. Y'all, look how cool this thing is. Is this glass? I think it's plastic. It's like a little scooper for it. I love stuff like this. Like, it's the little things for me. Y'all already know. Ooh, here's our little jar here. Again, it feels very heavy duty, like in nice packaging. We got another little, oh, that's a neat little lifter. Oh, y'all, this is what it looks like. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. Like, it smells just so clean. It smells so good, y'all. I am loving the scent of these products so far. And this is so stinking cute. I can't even. Okay, then we got our third little package they sent us. This is called the Ooh La La. Ooh La La, I think that's how you say that. Anti-Aging Booster Serum. Restorative retinol and vitamin C. Firming and strengthening for ultimate skin renewal. Okay, very nice. So the serum gets applied after cleansing and before moisturizing. So we'll do the exfoliator, then the serum, then the moisturizer. Let's see what this looks like. Y'all, look how pretty this packaging is. Hey, like how pretty. Ooh La La Serum Booster. This is gorgeous, this little bottle, and it's also glass. But like the squeezy right here, this is so neat. Ooh. Okay. This has kind of a more natural smell to it. A little bit, has like a little bit of a vitamin C smell to me. And yes, vitamin C has a smell to me. It does. But it smells really natural. But like the little squeezy, how cute is that, y'all? Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then last little package. Okay, so our last little package is Lavié Multi-Dimensional Platinum Eye Serum. And it says diminishes the appearance of under eye puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. So you also apply just 1 drop of this after cleansing and before moisturizing. So this is, oh, cute, another little glass bottle. This is what the eye serum looks like. This little lid comes off. Oh, and it's got like a pump. So that's nice. Can I smell it? So it looks like a kind of a white serum. Y'all, the smell of this stuff is so fresh and clean. Like, it's just a really natural, fresh, clean scent. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. Okay, I'm so excited to test these things out. Let's go ahead and start out with our exfoliating cream. Okay, so I've just got a fresh, clean face. Nothing on my face. So it said just rub this. Y'all, I cannot get over the smell of this stuff. It's almost like a lavender. It smells so good. So again, this is what it looks like, and it feels so good, y'all. So let's just massage. Oh, it definitely feels like it's a good, like it's exfoliating everything really well. Getting all that dead skin off. Any any gunk or dirt that's in my skin, like it definitely feels like it's getting in there really good. Getting it all off, but the smell, I just can't get over that smell. It smells so good. Okay, let's wash this off. Okay, we'll just dry my face off real good. Oh, my face feels so good already, y'all. Nice and fresh, and it feels super smooth. Very, very smooth. So next step was the serums. So first I'm gonna do the Ooh La La Serum Booster. I'm just gonna get a little bit of that. Ooh, y'all. It almost has like a peppermint smell. It smells really good. Oh, y'all, my skin feels amazing already. Love the way that feels and smells. Okay, up next we've got our Lavié Eye Serum. So it says 1 pump, so okay, that's like a pump and a half because the first pump wasn't really a full pump. So we're just gonna put this around our eyes. Oh, it smells so good and natural, fresh. It said to put it like over your fine lines and around your eyes. So if you're someone who has like crow's feet or little wrinkles around your under eyes, I get wrinkles right here, so I'm gonna put some there too, just because. Y'all, that feels amazing. Love that. Then our last step is this cute little scooper and our Matinica, not sure how you say this, but our cream, Age Defying Cream. I'm gonna use my little scooper, and I guess you just scoop some out, and you can dab it right on your face with this little thing. I'm gonna put some on my neck too because I have a really wrinkly neck for some reason. So this stuff smells amazing. Okay, rub it in here. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. That stuff feels amazing. Like, I want to put it all over my whole body. It feels so good. Okay. So there is the full process. My skin already looks so much more radiant and moisturized and a little more plumped up and juicy. It feels really good and refreshed. I'm excited to keep trying this out. I'm probably going to try it like nightly and see if I can tell an improvement in my skin and my like little fine lines and things like that. But overall, first impression, love it. Feels great, smells amazing. Very cute packaging. Like I said, everything is made in Israel and it's natural ingredients, which is really nice. So it's gonna be good for your skin. Also, y'all, it is cruelty free. So this little bunny right here says cruelty free. So that's also a good thing. So anyways, yeah. I love this stuff so far. Like I said, I'll keep you updated. Shout out to Lavié Labs. Thank you for sending me these free goodies, and I love them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.